what if your website could actually talk to people? Not the little chat box where someone types a question and waits around for an answer. I mean a real voice. A visitor lands on your page, clicks one button, and starts talking out loud, and the website talks right back in a natural human-sounding voice. It answers their questions and books an appointment before they ever leave the page. No phone call, no contact form, nobody on your end having to pick up. They click, they talk, and it's completely handled. And that's GoHighLevel's new voice AI widget. And in today's video, I'm going to walk you through building one start to finish so you can do it on your own site. What's up, you guys? My name is Ashley, and on this channel, we keep GoHighLevel simple and actually useful. No filler or fluff, just the stuff that actually moves the needle. And today, we're building what I like to call a talking website. Again, someone lands on your page, sees a little button, taps it, and has a back and forth conversation with an AI that already knows your business and can book them in. So let's go ahead and get into it. So what is this really? For a long time, the chat widget on a website meant typing. You click the bubble in the corner and type out your question, and a bot would type back. The voice AI widget is different. It uses your visitor's microphone and speakers right inside the browser, so they actually speak and the AI actually speaks back. There's no phone number involved, nothing to download, and no app to install. They click and talk, and that's genuinely it. GoHighLevel gives you voices to pick from, and you can set the speaking pace, language, and even emotional tone, so it can sound calm and warm or quick and upbeat depending on your brand. And here's the thing that's really interesting, because building this really has 4 pieces. You turn the feature on, you build the agent's brain, you create the widget, and you drop it onto your website. So let's go through each one. But before we dive in, if you don't already have a GoHighLevel account and you want to follow along absolutely for free, we do have a link down below where you can get started with an extended 30-day free trial. Okay, so once you click that link, you can just click start extended free trial. You'll enter in your company name, full name, email address, and phone number. Step 2, you will have to add your credit card information in, but you won't be charged until after the free trial is up. So just make sure you're setting a reminder if you're still kind of making your decision. So this first step kind of depends on your setup. So if you don't immediately see AI agents, what you're going to do is go into the labs section, which is where GoHighLevel can keep its newer features. So all you have to do is go to settings and then labs, and then make sure you are on the sub account tab, find the voice AI chat widget option, and then just toggle it on. Okay. And that's if you don't see it right here. If you already see AI agents, voice and conversation AI, then you're good to go and you can skip that step. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and build the agent's brain. Okay. So now as you can see, we're in AI agents, voice AI. What you want to do is create a knowledge base, and we're just going to create one with AI for now. So we're going to create a knowledge base. Okay. We're just going to type in med spa. You can enter a description. Okay. So now as you can see, we have a bunch of different options here. You want to add as much valuable information as you can. The more, the better, and the more, the less AI it's actually going to sound, because it's pulling from real data. Okay, so the most important thing is entering in the website. So all you have to do is click add website, and then you can enter in your exact URL. I just pulled an example of a med spa that I found. Okay, so it will take a few minutes to go ahead and crawl the website and then have everything trained. If you have frequently asked questions that you know people use, you want to go ahead and add these again in as much detail as possible. Okay, we can just do something like, do I need to do anything to prepare for the hydrofacial? Okay, save. You can do this for as many frequently asked questions as possible. You can even upload files. So you can upload from your computer or Google Drive. Whatever information you have, the better. The more detailed, the more knowledgeable, the more information it has essentially to pull from. Okay, so you can put in text, you can have your website information, your frequently asked questions, your files, tables, etc. Okay, you want to do all of this first before you start building the actual agent. Now we're going to go ahead and create agent. We're going to just do med spa example, med spa. Okay, actually we're going to name her like Jessica, med spa assistant. Okay, so you can go ahead and choose the voice. So it depends on what kind of quality you want. I'm just going to leave it on auto for now. Business name. So you can go ahead and select whatever you want. You can quickly play it on here if you would like to test out the different voices. So as you can see, it's got high quality. You can select the language. If you want a British accent, you can do that. Female. Yeah, again, the language, etc. So as soon as you select the voice, and again, you want to listen to make sure it feels really authentic to you and your brand, okay? Then this is the AI's initial message. So, hey, you've reached insert business name, How can I help you? If there's something else that you would like for them to go ahead and say as the agent's initial message, you can go ahead and do that, okay? There's also some advanced settings here. So the max call time could be 15 minutes, idle time and reminder frequency. So the AI agent will remind the contact after a fixed time of silence during the call, 4 seconds to 1 second, okay? End call after silence, 15 seconds. If you want to adjust that, you can. So agent behavior, so the response speed, the interruption sensitivity. What I would recommend doing is, you can start off with the basics, right? And then you're going to want to test this yourself to see how it goes. And then with that, if the response time was too fast, maybe you want to slow it down a bit, right? So this is going to come through trial and error and testing it out, okay? So we'll go ahead and confirm all of the advanced settings. Now the agent, okay, now this is where we're selecting the med spa, okay? So if we didn't already do that, we would have had to go ahead and do that anyway. So this way we don't have to stop in between. Okay, so use this knowledge if the user asks any questions about the business, services, contact details, or relevant information. Okay, so details to collect from the contact. Maybe you want their name and their email. Okay, then with advanced mode, there's a couple different things you can do. So that way you can go ahead is one, you want to add a prompt in here. Again, really detailing everything and anything, right? So handling caller queries, logic and rules, general rules. So avoid asking for further query details. Don't repeat the same sentence verbatim. Okay, structure call flow, right? So you can come in here and customize this exactly. But what's really cool about the advanced mode is you can add action items. So if you want to transfer a call, right? So after a period of time, if you want to transfer it to an actual human, you can add the action name like transfer to sales team. Okay, phone number to transfer to, you'll go ahead and enter that. When should it take place? If the user wants to talk to the manager or business owner, or if there's anything specific that you want them to just go ahead and transfer, then you can go ahead and set that up. You can also set up, a specific workflow. So if there's a specific trigger like missed call text back, auto recover, you can set that up. If you want to set a booking, you can go ahead and do that. Okay, it really depends on what the objective of the call is. If it's booking, you're definitely going to want to go ahead and select this, okay? So now that's what will happen in the call, okay? That will always be the goal, okay? Then we've got the phone and availability, okay? So if you want it to be a web call or a phone call, you can do that. Then it's enable AI agent as backup to the phone number, set working hours for the agent. If you want it 24 hours, you can do that, or you can go ahead and set working hours, okay? Then you'll just go ahead and save. Okay, now we have to go ahead and create the widget itself, okay? So we'll just go ahead and navigate to sites. We'll go to chat widget, we'll click new, we'll do voice AI. So you can have a sticky placement or embedded in line, okay? We've got the avatar. You can customize little things here, okay? You can change the button, right? You can do everything. Messaging, English. Okay, now we go ahead and choose Jessica Med Spa. All you have to do is go ahead and save and go ahead and add it onto your site. It's really that simple, and that took us, under 10 minutes. So when you add it to your site, go ahead and find the get code option, which is right here, and copy the script that it gives you. If your site is built right inside GoHighLevel as a funnel or page, you can just go ahead and attach it directly. But again, if your site lives somewhere else, you're going to want to paste that script into the head or the footer of your site. And again, once it's live, you want to test it yourself before you send it to anyone. Click the button, talk to it, and ask it real questions a real customer actually would. 2 things that you'll notice that are totally normal. There's an automatic recording notice, which is just there for transparency and to keep you compliant. And there's a built-in reCAPTCHA protection, so bots can't spam your agent and run up usage. Both of those are good things, so you want to leave them on. Okay, now let's talk about cost, because I want to be straightforward with you. The website voice widget is billed by the minute. It runs a voice engine at around 6 cents a minute plus a small charge for the language model behind it. So figure somewhere in the range of 13 to 16 cents a minute in real time. And the website widget is not included in the $97 a month AI employee bundle. That bundle covers unlimited inbound phone calls, but the website voice widget and outbound calls are actually separate. So again, you want to budget the per minute cost. So keep an eye on the usage at first, and that way you'll have no surprises. For most businesses, the cost is tiny compared to one booked appointment, but again, you should know the number going into it. Okay, and if you want to get started with the extended 30-day free trial, again, that link is down below. Just so you're aware too of the different plans and pricing options of GoHighLevel, they've got this starter plan, which is $97 per month. You get all their core features and then 3 sub accounts. Then their most popular plan is the unlimited, and this is $297 $199 per month, and this is built for growing agencies. So you get everything in the starter plan, but you get unlimited sub accounts and basic API access. Lastly is their Agency Pro. So this is $497 per month. You get everything on the unlimited, but you get SaaS mode and auto sub account creation and more advanced API access. Okay. So depending on where you're at in business depends on the plan you actually need. Okay. So now that we've gone through everything, you've turned on the voice AI chat widget, you built the agent with the right voice and right personality, a solid knowledge base, and one clear job. You created the widget and attached your agent and styled it. Now all you have to do is embed it into your actual site as a floating button or right inside the page and just test it like a real customer. That's all you have to do. That's a website that talks back and books appointments around the clock. Okay, that wraps up this video. Again, if you want to check out our links down below for an extended 30-day free trial, that link is down there for you. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content just like this. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.